Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making a hearty chicken and vegetable soup. Most of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry, and some of the items are from the store. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our can of sweet potatoes, we're going to open that up. Now we're going to take these, we're just going to set them aside. Now we're going to take the rest of our ingredients, and we're going to add these all to the pot, including thyme, oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. 3 cups of chicken stock. Okay, it's going to turn it on to medium heat. Bring that to a simmer. We're going to cook that for about 10 minutes. So now we're at a good simmer. That chicken probably broke up a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and break it up just a little bit more. It's good, so we cook for 10 minutes. Now we're going to add our sweet potatoes. Stir that around a little bit. We're going to let it cook for another 4 minutes.
Hi, my name is Kara and I'm the district's dietitian. I just have a couple nutrition tidbits. One is that this recipe is full of mixed vegetables, so make sure you're including a variety of colors of fruits and vegetables in your diet, as each color provides different nutrients. Another thing is you can add rice or quinoa to the dish to make it a little bit heartier.
And now that we've had that cooking for another 4 minutes, we're going to give it a taste. Just to taste the broth. That's good for my taste. For yours, you could add a little more salt and pepper if you'd like. Now we've got our hearty chicken vegetable soup. Delicious.